Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to freeze and unfreeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So firstly, let's understand what does we mean by freeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. Freezing a user in Salesforce means deactivating or suspending their access to the Salesforce platform temporarily. It stops a user from making changes, accessing data, or performing any actions within the system. Freezing a user can be important in situations like as when an employee takes a long leave, when there is a security concern, or when an account needs to be temporarily disabled for any reason. By freezing a user, the license that was granted to them is not released. So let's proceed and discuss how to freeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we move to our Salesforce Lightning org, and here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So here we are going to discuss how to freeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. Now you enter the user in the quick find box that is present on the left side, and under the users we can see there is a users option present. Click on this option and it will redirect us to the all user page, and here you can see all users are visible. Now it's time to freeze the user in Salesforce Lightning. Suppose in my case there is a user name as a John William, and this John William takes a leave for 3 months due to some medical issue, and I want to freeze their account. For this I click on this John William and it will redirect me to the page of John William. Now here you can see that above we have a 5 button present, and the fourth one button you can see named as a freeze. So now I click on this freeze button, and you can see that it successfully freeze a John William in my case. The John William user is freeze now. So with this we have learned how to freeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will proceed and discuss what does we mean by unfreeze a user. Unfreezing a user in Salesforce is the process of changing a previously frozen user status. To unfreeze a user means to reactivate their account and restore their access privileges, allowing them to log in and use Salesforce again without any interruption. This can be done when the user returns from the leave of absence or security issue get resolved, due to which you freeze the user, and unfreezing a user allow them to resume their normal activities within the Salesforce platform. So now let's proceed and learn to unfreeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account, and here we are. So here you can see our Salesforce Lightning account is open, and it is by default open in the Lightning edition. If your account is not open in the Lightning edition, then you need to switch to the Lightning edition first. Then you can do anything you want. So here we are going to discuss about how to unfreeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page, and here we enter the user in the quick find box that is present on the left side, and you can see the users are present under the user section. Click on the users option and it will redirect us to the user page where all the users are visible, and here it's time to select the user which you want to unfreeze. Now we will get the list of all the users. Now it's time to unfreeze a user in a Salesforce, and in my case I am going to unfreeze this Lisa Dio because she takes a leave for 6 months and now she came back from the leave, and I decided to unfreeze this user. And here I click on the name of the Lisa Duo, and the Lisa Duo user page is open, and here you can see the lots of buttons are present, and here I you can see On the fourth number, unfreeze button are also shown. So click on this unfreeze button and you can see the Lisa Duo user is successfully unfreezed now. So with this, we have learned how to unfreeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So with this, we have learned how to freeze and unfreeze a user in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.